Welcome back to Clarissa's Kitchen. For those who are new to my channel, I'm Clarissa, and today I am going to be sharing with you my mini lemon poppy seed muffin poppers. If that's not a tongue twister, just try it. Try with me. Mini lemon poppy seed muffin poppers. And I did this before, and I'll put a little blooper at the very end of this video if you guys continue to still watch. But the fact that I had to try to say this 5 million times, it's just a really bad tongue twister. I couldn't say it. So what I love about these lemon poppy seed muffins is that they are super fluffy, they're very airy, they're also not too sweet. Super addicting. I could have it for breakfast, a snack, a dessert, heat them up in the microwave, dip them with some milk, whatever the case may be. So I probably already have this posted on my Instagram, and you guys definitely need to check it out. I post daily recipes. It's at Clarissa's Kitchen if you want to find me, and also this picture if you guys want to know what it looks like. Also, another reminder, the recipes that I do make, it's listed in the description box below, as well as any of the featured products that I do use. If you guys can help support my channel, I would absolutely love it if you can hit that subscribe button right down below. So without further ado, let's get on to the recipe. In a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of 1-to-1 gluten-free baking flour. I'm using Bob's Red Mill, which has xanthum gum in it, so if the flour that you're using doesn't come with it, you'll need to add 1 tablespoon of xanthum gum separately. Then add 1 cup of oat flour, and you can always use almond flour as an alternative. Next, you'll add 1/4 cup of coconut sugar or any sugar-free substitute if you're sticking with keto. Then 2 tablespoons of coconut flour. This will really help fluff up the muffins. 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and then you'll add 1 1/2 tablespoons of poppy seeds. If you don't have poppy seeds, you can either sub it with chia seeds or leave this out and it will still just taste as amazing. Then give the dry ingredients a really good mix. For the wet ingredients, you'll need to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. Then you'll add 1/2 cup of water or any plant-based milk. I ran out of almond milk, so I just used water instead, but to get a richer flavor, I would definitely recommend using milk. I added 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of lemon zest, then 1/2 cup of coconut oil, and then 2 eggs at room temperature. I forgot to record this part, but add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This will really bring out the flavor of the muffins. Then give it a really good mix, and it's always good to whisk in one direction so you're not breaking up the batter too much. Now it's time to add the batter to the muffin tins. Remember, you can use the mini muffin tin or a regular muffin tin. I use liners to help the muffins come out a lot easier. However, if you don't have any liners, just make sure to grease each tin holder with either coconut oil or butter. Baking this for 18 to 20 minutes at 350 degrees or until fully cooked, and you can tell by poking the middle of the muffin with a toothpick. Now for the glaze, I use Lakanto's sugar-free monk fruit sweetener powdered sugar, but you can definitely use regular powdered sugar too. I added 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Now if there's still clumps in the glaze, you can definitely add more maple syrup as needed. Once the muffins are cooling for about 5 to 10 minutes, take them out on a cooling rack, and then we'll be adding the really fun part, which is the glaze. lemon poppy seed muffin poppers. Nailed it. With that said, if you guys really liked it, or if you just really enjoyed watching this video and found it very interesting, I would really love if you guys can give it a thumbs up, because it'll help support my channel. And just make sure that you hit that subscribe button before we end this video. And that is all. I will see you guys next time in Clarissa's kitchen. Bye guys. I call them my mini lemon poppy seed poppers. My mini lemon poppy seed poppers. My mini lemon poppy seed poppers. My mini lemon seed mini poppers. My mini lemon poppy seed poppers.